Hi guys, I recently got the Google Pixel Snap Ring, and guess what? It works with the iPhone 17 series and basically any iPhone that has MagSafe compatibility. So join me as I unbox it and I show you how it works both on the Google Pixel and also on the iPhone 17. So here I'm basically just showing you what the unboxing process looks like. It comes in a pretty basic box, and the first thing you get is the snap ring itself, and then you get some paperwork. Basically, who reads the paperwork for snapping magnets onto the back of your phone. But yeah, Google makes it available for you in case you want to read it. The unboxing experience is basic, feels somewhat premium nonetheless. This comes only, the back feels like suede clothing, and it comes only in this particular moonstone color, as there's no other color available for the Pixel Snap Ring as of today. Maybe subsequently they will change to other colors, but for now this is the only color, and of course it matches, is the exact color of my phone, so matches and somewhat improves the aesthetics of my phone, if I would say that. Helps, you can prop up your phone like this. You can decide to also prop it up the other way around. It works. I have used it a lot in holding my phone to watch movies and all that, and you see it just gives it that really good vibe, helps you to hold it well. And the magnet is pretty sturdy. Of course, it's not that it can snap, because it can, but I guess that's the whole point. You can pick up your phone, can hold your phone. I got it for almost free, but it costs, the market price actually is about $30 or £30. If you shake it a little harder than this, it will come off, as you see here. I also then, after like just experiencing it on my Google Pixel, I decided to try it on the iPhone 17 series. This is iPhone 17 Pro, and it works just fine. Picks up the phone, can be propped up, can be adjusted, works just as it would on Google Pixel. The magnets are also strong, of course, because magnets are also strong on the iPhone. But that's about it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is it worth the $30 price for it? And would you be paying $30 for this?